Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to PC Instant Link step by step clearly. Start by turning on your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. Make sure your headphones are in pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the power button until you hear the voice prompt. Next, navigate to your PC and access the Bluetooth settings. Click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray or go to Settings and select Devices. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, your PC will start searching for nearby devices. Look for WH-1000XM5 in the list of available devices. Once you see it, click on it to initiate the pairing process. You may receive a prompt to confirm the pairing. Select Yes or Connect to finalize the connection. Once paired, you will hear a confirmation sound in your headphones. To make sure the audio is routed through your headphones, right-click the volume icon on your taskbar. Select Playback Devices from the drop-down menu. In the Playback tab, choose WH-1000XM5 and click Set Default. Your headphones should now be set as the. You can adjust the volume directly from your PC or your headphones. To disconnect, simply turn off the headphones or disable Bluetooth on your PC. For easier future connections, keep the headphones charged and within range of your PC. You are now ready to enjoy high-quality audio with your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones on your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.